Hi guys, I'm Esther from Eslashes. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 ways that your clients can come prepared so that they're going to reduce their application time. So these are things that you can actually share with your clients ahead of time so that they know what to expect before the appointment. The first thing is that we don't want the clients arriving with any makeup on at their appointment. So you want to make sure you let your clients know about all of these tips ahead of time. So if you have new clients, what you can do is anytime you get a new client, you can have an auto text, an auto message on Instagram, an auto message on email. However you accept your clients, you can have this message ready and prepared ahead of time on tips on what they need to do before they arrive to their appointment. If clients are arriving at their appointment and they have makeup on or their lashes aren't clean, this is going to add extra time to the service. Now, if it's their very first appointment, they probably don't have a lash cleanser. So make sure you let them know, remove all of your makeup. And if you have an oil-free cleanser, that's the one you should be using before your appointment. Now, for anybody's first new appointment, I always have my own Eslashes gentle lash cleanser available, so I can scrub them down before getting started, before priming, just to make sure, because there could be a little bit of leftover makeup, a little bit of leftover oil. It's just the best way to make sure. Number 2, you want to avoid interruptions, so let your clients know they need to arrive ready. So if there's any texts or phone calls they need to make, those can't really be done during the appointment. You need it on for emergencies, of course that's fine, but let them know that you're not able to text back for them or answer a phone call for them. Each one of those little interruptions is going to add up. And next thing is, make sure they use the washroom before they come in, especially, like I said, with new clients. Tell them, hey, the washroom's right there. Do you need to use it before we get started? So they're in the habit of doing that before they start, because the last thing we want to do is have them have to use the washroom midway through the appointment, have to remove the iPads, put them back on again, tape again. That adds so much time to the appointment just for a quick little washroom break. Number 3, take it easy on the caffeine before an appointment. A lot of times if clients drink caffeine right before the appointment, their eyelids can get super flittery or fluttery. And what that does is it makes it harder for the lash extension technician to do their job because the eyelid is constantly moving. So it depends on the person. Some people don't get fluttery lids from having caffeine beforehand. But as a general rule of thumb, I tell everybody to avoid caffeine right before their appointment so that we're not in a situation where the eyelid is fluttering. And the 4th and final thing that clients can do to reduce their appointment time is to make sure that they're keeping up on their lashes and taking care of their lashes. So that means booking fills every 2 to 3 weeks, not waiting until 4 or 5 weeks when it's too late and there's only like 30% of the lashes extensions left on their lashes. And also making sure that they're taking care of them. So that means using a lash safe cleanser, washing them regularly, combing them, sleeping on, a satin or silk pillowcase, not picking or pulling at the lashes, rinsing them if they are going to be in water, swimming, anything like that. So just all of the aftercare in general, making sure they're keeping up on that is also going to reduce the appointment time. Of course, everybody wants to make it, as fast in and out as possible while still getting the best service. So these are the 4 ways that they can do that. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you liked this video, you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.